Hey y'all, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today, we're diving headfirst into a project after my own heart, transforming your living room into a modern masterpiece. We're talking chic sofa sets, trendy color palettes, and all those little touches that make a house a home. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to freshen things up, I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. We'll map out your space, find the perfect furniture, and sprinkle in some of that signature Crafty Corner charm. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and let's create a living room you'll love coming home to. Before we get swept away by gorgeous sofas and trendy throw pillows, let's take a step back and really get to know the heart of your home. Grab your measuring tape and let's get those dimensions down pat. Length, width, those quirky little nooks, write it all down. Think about the flow of your living room. Where do people naturally gravitate? We want to create a space that feels open and inviting, so keep those walkways clear. What's the main purpose of your living room? Is it the family hub for movie nights or a more elegant space for entertaining guests? Knowing how you'll use the room will guide all of our design choices moving forward. Now comes the fun part, infusing your personality into your living room with some on-trend design choices. This year, we are seeing a delightful blend of styles that allow you to express yourself while keeping up with the latest trends. This year, it's all about modern, minimalist elegance. The minimalist approach is not just about having less, but about making each piece count and creating a serene, clutter-free environment. Think clean lines, simple shapes, and a soothing, neutral palette as our canvas. These elements work together to create a harmonious and balanced space that feels both open and inviting. Warm things up with natural elements like wood accents, a touch of stone, and plenty of greenery. These natural touches bring a sense of calm and tranquility to your living room, making it a perfect retreat. To add a dash of personality, sprinkle in some bold accents like vibrant throw pillows or a colorful rug. Mix and match textures. This not only adds visual interest, but also makes the space feel more dynamic and lively. Think plush velvet sofas paired with sleek metal accents, or a rustic wooden coffee table against crisp white walls. These combinations create a beautiful contrast and add depth to your living room design. It's all about creating that visual interest that makes a room feel both cozy and chic. The goal is to strike a balance between comfort and style, making your living room a place where you love to spend time. Have fun with it, experiment, and let your personality shine through. Don't be afraid to try new things and make your living room a true reflection of who you are. Let's talk sofas, the heart of any good living room. Whether you're moving into a new home or just looking to refresh your current space, choosing the right sofa set can make all the difference. Today, we're focusing on modern styles that'll make your space sing. From sleek lines to bold colors, modern sofas can transform your living room into a stylish haven. First up, the ever-popular sectional sofa. These versatile pieces are perfect for creating a cozy corner or a spacious seating area, perfect for larger families or those who love to entertain. Sectionals offer ample seating and can be customized to fit your space. If you're working with a smaller living room, modular sofas are your new best friend. These adaptable pieces can be rearranged to suit your needs. They can be rearranged to create different configurations, making them ideal for dynamic spaces where flexibility is key. For a touch of elegance, you can't go wrong with a curved sofa. These pieces add a sophisticated flair to any room. It breaks up the straight lines of a modern design and adds softness. Curved sofas are perfect for creating a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. And of course, timeless mid-century modern styles with low profiles, tapered legs, and sleek silhouettes. These designs are perfect for those who appreciate a blend of retro and contemporary aesthetics. When it comes to materials, you've got options galore: durable leather, luxurious velvet, and more. Each material offers a unique look and feel. Light and airy linen blends are perfect for a relaxed, casual vibe. They bring a touch of elegance without being too formal. Just make sure to choose a fabric that's both stylish and comfy. After all, your sofa is a place to relax and unwind. Your sofa should be a perfect blend of form and function. It should not only look good, but also provide the comfort and durability you need for everyday use. We've got our sofa picked out. Now let's talk placement. The placement of your sofa is crucial to the overall feel and functionality of your living room. The way you arrange your furniture can make or break the flow of your living room. A well-thought-out layout can enhance the space, making it feel more open and inviting. In smaller spaces, placing your sofa against a wall opens up the room. This simple trick can make a cramped area feel more spacious and less cluttered. If you've got more room, let your sofa float. A floating sofa can create a more dynamic and flexible layout, allowing for better traffic flow and conversation areas. Positioning it away from the wall can define the seating area and create a more intimate vibe. This arrangement encourages interaction and makes the space feel cozier. Every good living room needs a focal point. Whether it's a fireplace, a TV, or a beautiful window, having a central element draws the eye and anchors the room. Arrange your sofa to face it, creating a natural gathering spot. This setup makes the room feel more organized and purposeful. Round out the seating area with stylish accent chairs that complement your sofa. These additional seats not only provide extra seating, but also add to the room's aesthetic. Consider adding an ottoman or a bench for extra seating and practicality. These pieces can serve multiple purposes, from seating to storage, enhancing the room's functionality. It's all about creating a balanced and inviting space. A well-arranged living room not only looks good, but also feels comfortable and welcoming for everyone. Let's talk about lighting. It's one of the most important elements of interior design. Start with ambient lighting like ceiling fixtures or recessed lights for overall illumination. Add task lighting to areas where you need extra focus, like floor lamps for reading nooks. For a touch of drama, bring in accent lighting like wall sconces or LED strip lights. Modern geometric chandeliers and statement pendant lights can add personality. Consider incorporating smart lighting for ultimate convenience. Control the brightness and even the color of your lights with just a tap on your phone. The right lighting can completely transform the mood of your living room. Let's talk about the heart of your seating area, the coffee table. It's gotta be both stylish and functional. Marble tops add sophistication and durability. Glass tables create an airy, open feel. Wooden coffee tables offer a warm, inviting vibe. Once you've chosen your perfect coffee table, style it up with decorative books, a small potted plant, or a vase of fresh flowers. Use trays to corral smaller items like remote controls and coasters. A well-styled coffee table can be a focal point of your living room. Let's talk about rugs. They can instantly transform a room, adding warmth, texture, and personality. Make sure your rug is large enough to fit under all the furniture in your seating area. Wool rugs are luxurious and durable, while synthetic rugs are affordable and easy to clean. Geometric rugs add a modern touch, while abstract designs bring whimsy. For a traditional look, classic Persian or Oriental rugs are perfect. Position your rug so it extends partially under the front legs of your sofa and chairs. This helps to define the seating area and creates a cohesive look. A well-chosen rug can be the finishing touch that ties your room together. Now it's time to add those finishing touches that really personalize your living room. Gallery walls are a fantastic way to showcase framed art, family photos, and mirrors. Mix and match different sizes and shapes for an eclectic look. Consider incorporating a large-scale piece of art for a bold statement. Wall paneling adds depth and sophistication to your walls. Shelves aren't just for books. Mix in plants, decorative objects, and personal mementos. Less is often more when it comes to shelf styling. Leave some negative space to let statement pieces shine. These touches tell your story and make your house a home. Every room needs a touch of nature. Plants add beauty, purify the air, and create tranquility. The fiddle leaf fig is a statement plant that's elegant and dramatic. For low-maintenance options, consider the snake plant. For low-maintenance options, consider the pothos. Peace lilies are stunning and help purify the air. Trailing plants like pothos come in various colors and are easy to care for. Incorporate greenery to bring the outdoors in and enhance your living room's ambiance. Plants can be the perfect finishing touch to your modern masterpiece. We're in the home stretch. The furniture is in place, the walls are adorned, and the plants are adding life. Now it's time to add those final touches that make your living room feel like home. Layer different textures and patterns with throw pillows and blankets. Display family photos and souvenirs from your travels. A cozy throw blanket over the sofa adds warmth and personality. A fragrant candle or diffuser with essential oils can transform the mood. Choose scents that evoke relaxation and tranquility. Add those final touches and enjoy your beautiful and inviting space. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from choosing the perfect sofa set to adding those final personal touches. I hope you feel inspired to transform your own living room into a modern and stylish haven. If you loved these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more inspiring DIY and decor ideas. And be sure to share your living room makeovers with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, y'all, happy decorating.